So what I've got here is the BENFEI M.2 NVMe SATA SSD enclosure. This gets speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, and it plugs into both USB-C and USB-A. So in the box, it did come with the user manual as well as a small screwdriver for installing your NVMe drive. And then we've got the NVMe enclosure there with kind of an aluminum alloy shell on it. And out of the side here, there is the cable connected right in there. So again, this is USB-A and USB-C, just like that. So it does both of them, which is really handy. This Surface Pro only has USB-C on it, so I do like that. And again, it is USB 3.2, so up to 10 gigabits per second, and it's backwards compatible with USB 3.1 and USB 3. It also is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac. So if I flip it over here, there's a small little screw here. We'll take the screwdriver and we can open this up. And the kind of alloy piece just slides off. And there's also a little thermal pad in there for helping with any heat. So inside the enclosure, this can hold different sizes of NVMe drives: 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. So an 80 millimeter drive. To install your drive, you just grab it like this, and it kind of goes in at a bit of an angle, just like that. Make sure the notch on your NVMe drive lines up with the notch down here. And then we can push this down and it should kind of snap right into place down here. We'll put on the thermal pad and make sure to remove the film on the thermal pad. And then we can take our cover and put that right back on. And we'll go ahead and put that screw back in there. And now we have a really fast external drive. So I'll go ahead and just plug this in to my USB-C port here. Like that, and it should pop up on my screen. There we go. And this one came up as my D drive, and I can go ahead and copy files on here and use it for external storage. And again, this is the BENFEI M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. A great option if you're looking for high-speed external storage for your computer.